Welcome everyone. Today we are building stairs. Well, actually not in one day. We took about 5 days to build this. And of course we made some mistakes. Well, one of the mistakes we made was to not measure from one point every step. So we just measured the distance between the steps. And that means that we introduce a human fault. As we all know, humans make faults. And then we started using the plunge saw to cut nice even lines. And when we have done the plunge saw, you can see that you cannot end up exactly in the corner. So after this we were using the jigsaw to cut out all the blocks. And after we got the blocks, we put the two beams straight next to each other and saw that, the human faults were certainly there. And as a solution, what we did was put the stairs in the position it will be in the future, and use the belt sander to make the steps as flat as possible compared to each other. And we use a jigsaw for that as well, and the fronts. But this was also just correcting the faults we had because of the human measurements we made. Actually, this is one of the most difficult stairs to make in compared to stairs where you just cut out or screw the steps in between. And now we are trying to get it nice and square, and realized that the hole where it needs to go through is exactly the size of the stairs. So we decided to take 2 centimeters off each of the total width, and then starting to build up the stairs, measuring out the steps piece by piece and trying to level them out and at least get the height of the steps exactly right. So that's why we were using the laser, to get them level and right, that our stairs would be one, at least compared to itself, it would be nice to walk on. We still need to install it at a later date, but that is a problem for another day. We started gluing all the fronts and the tops. This was quite a bit of work. One of the other issues we ran into was that the beams were a little bit twisted. So this was also something we tried to fix by using some clamps and trying to twist them back. And in the meanwhile, keep gluing the planks. It's a lot of checking when you're building a stairs. So we'll show in a different video all the tools we used, and maybe we'll make a video where we have the tools in a small window next to it, so we can show them together. But for now, we have built quite a sturdy stairs, and I think after we take it from the wall, we are still going to reinforce it a little bit, so that the backing plate we put in is connected with the stairs below that, and this will give a lot of strength to the center of the step, because this stairs is 92 centimeters wide, and that is quite a lot. So we expect some bending in the center, and of course it needs to last a long time. So that's why we are going to reinforce the hell out of it. It got to be a very heavy stairs, but we will be hoisting it up with some chain lifts and that will be shown in a later video. So I want to thank you for watching and see you on the next job.